Hello everyone, it's Kari. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I have here the brand new March Hedgehog Hollow Kit that I wanted to share. This one is gorgeous. It is all about fairies, and as you can tell from this postcard that comes in the kit, it's going to be magical. So I'm going to share this with you today, and then I have a couple of projects to share as well. This first item is a stencil, and this is such a neat stencil because it comes with two parts. So I'm going to take this out right here and show you. Look at this. You get the negative and the positive piece here, so you can do a lot of different techniques with this. But that is so pretty. There's all those stars, and look how large this is. This is going to create a beautiful art journal page or a larger card. I really like this. Then we have, I've got mine here on backer boards. So these are two stamp sets. These are regular 4x6 size, so they're large stamp sets. And you get all of these sentiments and also these fairy images. Really beautiful. I really love this kit. I'm not going to read all the sentiments, but there are a lot of really good ones. I'm going to use a couple today. Look at those fairy wings and that fairy holding the dandelion. Close your eyes and make a wish, this one says. I'm going to use that one today. And then also it comes with 3 different biodegradable glitters. So these are earth friendly. I really love them. It comes with a purple one, that white iridescent one, and then also the holographic silver one. And then the kaleidoscope powder is mercury that it comes with. And so these are beautiful. These are going to make some really fun cards. Today I'm going to show you the difference of making a card using this darker cardstock and then also using regular card. So to start off, I have 4 different colors of Distress Oxides. I have Twisted Citron, Shabby Shutters, Cracked Pistachio, and Pine Needles. And here I am inking on, I first did the Twisted Citron, and this is the Shabby Shutters, and look how pretty this goes on this darker cardstock. I think it's really beautiful. I started putting on this Cracked Pistachio here, and then I decided I didn't really love that. It didn't have a lot of difference from the Shabby Shutters on the black cardstock, so I just went ahead and skipped that one and went straight to Pine Needles. And after I got that all blended through, I went back and forth between all of the colors so I could make sure to get a really good blend. And then look at this. Look how beautiful this is. It looks like it's glowing almost. So I really love the way this turned out. And now I'm going to spritz it with water here. I use this Fine Mist Spritzer, and look at that. You get kind of these bokeh oxide droplets, I guess. I really thought it was pretty cool for this. So I am going to heat emboss this in white. My first instinct was to stamp it in black because this is like a silhouette stamp. So I fought off my first instinct and went to heat embossing in white because I thought on the darker cardstock it would look really cool heat embossed in white. And I'm going to show you the difference between that and then also stamping it in a dark black ink. So that's coming up. So here we go. I'm just going to heat emboss that, and then I'm going to add some more of those dandelion seeds kind of coming off of here. Truthfully, when I was doing this, I kept thinking about allergies. Is anyone allergic to dandelions? I hope not. Luckily, this is just in card format, so you shouldn't have any allergic reactions to this one. And I think this is just such a beautiful image. So I added a few more of those seeds, and now I decided it needed a little more of the inking once I got that heat embossing done. So I'm just going to add a little more to make it more dramatic. And since that's white heat embossed, I can just use a damp cloth here to wipe off any ink off of that white embossing. I'm going to add some black soot around the corners just to also give it some more interest here. Just very, very simple. And there we go. Now I've cut out some matte papers here. The first one is a turquoise foil, kind of a teal foil, and then also a black matte for this. And I'm just going to add some, before I put it all together, I'm going to add some white dots using a gel pen And then I'm going to add some just smallest little dots of glue so that I can sprinkle on some of that silver glitter. I've already stamped and heat embossed the sentiment, close your eyes and make a wish. So that is there. And I'm just going to add that glitter. All you have to do is use some liquid adhesive, sprinkle that on, and you're done. So I'm going to add a few of those drops here to this side as well. This adds some really fun sparkle, interest. It feels like a fairy card. So I really thought that that added some much needed glitter. Yeah, I do like my glitter. So it's fun that there are 3 different colors. So today I'm just using the silver one, but you know that I will get some good use out of those other colors as well. I'm just going to use some liquid adhesive to attach all of this together on a top folding card. And there is our first card on the dark cardstock. Look at that beautiful foil paper. Look at the glitter that is added throughout. There's some on her wings as well. And that dark cardstock with the ink blending just almost looks suede, I think. Here I'm going to put my light on it so you can see a little better. It looks like it's glowing. This is a really fun technique. Easy to do and just really dramatic. Makes it pop. So now I'm going to take this perfect blend paper. This is from Maker Forte. If you have challenges ink blending, try blending on this perfect blend paper because it is super simple. It's easy to get a good blend, and I mean this didn't take me very much time at all to get that. So I'm also going to spray this with a little bit of water, and I actually sprayed a little more than I intended, but that's okay. It added some fun fairy look to it, I guess. It did lighten it up quite a bit, but I'm going to go in a little bit more with some ink later. And now I'm going to use my favorite black ink. This is the Remarkable Eclipse black ink, also from Maker Forte. I'm going to stamp that down a couple times to get a really nice impression. And I'm going to clear heat emboss this. What I found when you stamp on Perfect Blend is that the ink takes a really long time to dry. So if you heat emboss it, then it will dry a lot quicker. And by the way, I did wait for the water to dry and all that ink blending to dry before I stamped on both of these cards. So here is the results of that card, and here's the results of the black card. It's so amazing. I used exactly the same colors, exactly the same techniques, one with white heat embossing, one with black ink, clear heat embossed, and look at the difference you get with those different cards. I think it's really amazing. Think of all the different variations you can get. So that's going to be really fun for this kit. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I really did enjoy making these cards. I have so many ideas for this kit. So I will be back really soon with some more inspiration. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really does help with YouTube. And I hope you also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you here again real soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.